Auto Blocker is an opt-in security feature that prevents the side loading of risky apps downloaded from outside the Galaxy Store and Google Play. Let's see how to enable this feature. To begin, open Settings on your handset. Swipe up to go down. And find Security and Privacy. Tap on it. Under Additional Security Settings you will find Auto Blocker. Tap on it. Read what will happen after enabling Auto Blocker, and then tap the slider to enable this feature. From now on, Auto Blocker will keep your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activity. It will also block images suspected of containing malware and messaging apps. If you want, you can turn this off. And also it will prevent installation of system software using a USB cable. So in this way, you can enable and use Auto Blocker on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.